on, guys? How y'all doing? Hope all is well in the world. It is February the 1st, and that big thing's out. That big thing. And it's freaking 69, 68, 69 degrees. So yeah, it's a great day. But messing with my sinuses, messing with my head. My head hurts. Messing with my head worse than normal, but today I'm just going to quick little video to give y'all something to look at. That was dirty. Give y'all something to look at. I guess. Content. I don't know. I still ain't even done the last video, and I just realized that. Either way, I'm going to do LED roof lights, marker lights. They're in here. I ordered, I think they're T10 194s, A's, because they're amber. So they'll be super orange going in there. And then I got these off of eBay from Detroit Muscle, obviously. Brand new gaskets. It's just, get out of there. Piece of foam. It's got the holes drilled. It's got slit cut in it for the wires. They're really nice. I done got one put on in the center because it was leaking really bad. That one right there. It was leaking, but I'm gonna replace all of them as I put these bulbs in. So I reckon these bulbs are like anything LED. They're polar sensitive. I could be wrong. I might be lying to y'all, but I'm pretty sure they're polar sensitive. So before you put everything back together completely, make sure you, yeah, I'll show you. But it's pretty straightforward. I mean, you got two Phillips head screws on each side, one there, one there. And then once you take those out, pull the light up, you'll see it's got the ground right there on that screw. Don't forget that. And you got the old gasket right here. Focus. It's nice and crusty. And then this right here just twists left and pours out. I can't do it one-handed. Be careful because this is fragile. And if you have new lenses, now's the time to do it because they just slide out like that. Yeah, I'm gonna get this bulb out. Hold on. Alright, so like I say, here's that's the little bulbs I got. I ordered them off Amazon. I'll put the link. Or no, I might have got those off eBay. Yeah, those were eBay. Anyway, I'll put the link below. But right there's the new little pad thing. Fun fact, don't drop your screw down off in there. I tried fishing it out and I couldn't get it out. But either way, like every first gen repair, self-tapper comes in to save the day. But I've already got it on. I don't think these are polar sensitive. I ain't even gonna try. Just so I got it right the first time, but there it is. It's got, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got 8 bulbs total. Super bright. I'll show you here in a second. When I take that one off, I'll take that one off, ground it, and I'll show you side-by-side comparison. Alright, so yeah, right there's a little comparison. There's that one versus that one. But yeah, these LEDs are super bright. Also, I didn't know the little ground piece right here. These little housings have a slot. There it is. Built in for that. So there's your fun fact. I didn't know that till just now. So anyway, I want to get the rest of these done. I'm not gonna bore you with the rest of it. I'm gonna get these other 1, 2, 3, 4 done, and then I'll show you the finished product. Alright, so we are back together, and if I didn't mention, it is polar sensitive. Found that out, but turn this on. Boom. Super bright. I'm happy with it. Little, I think I've got like $20 for the little upgrade. So that's done. Everything on this truck, that's LED. Of course, headlights. I've got to get these because these are still halogen on each side. That's LED. That's LED. These are still halogen, the brake and turn signals. The reverse lights are LEDs, even though they're not that bright, because the housing, all 5 of those, I had to count, all 5 of those LED. New paint, LED. But everything is LED. I'm looking at getting a set of, shop's cooling down. set up the running boards. I've got a guy hooking me up for those with those. Then you can't see it, but all the gauge lights are LEDs. That map light's LED. That's LED. So literally everything on this truck's LED. But that's going to do it for today. Like I said, it's a little short video, just a little project, little odd things I'm doing. But that's it for today. If you can see it, all this nastiness right here. Hopefully the new seals under the cab light will take care of that. But anyways, that's going to do it. Coming up, I don't remember if I showed them, but I have 2 HX35 turbos. I gave one to my buddy. They both needed rebuilding, but I gave one to him, so he'd rebuild both of them. Basically paid him a turbo to rebuild them. But that's coming up. I'll put that on the truck. It's a pretty good upgrade over stock. And then I've got, like I said, the running boards. I've got a guy hooking me up with those, and I will line those with the orange LEDs down the side. I am that guy. And then other than that, we got suspension to do. The truck's going to be, it's got airbags in the rear right now, so it's already set up for them, but I will redo that, put airbags on the back. Might put them on the front too, I don't know. Money's going to be a big thing, because y'all know I'm broke. But I'm going to set the truck down some, and then eventually, it'll be a few years, I'm going to get some some big wheels to go on it. And then that's probably going to be all I do. Probably leave the truck alone until I fork out the money and start buying stuff to do a 5-speed swap. Because I would like to manual convert this truck. But that's all I'm doing to the truck. That's all I plan on doing to the truck. I'll put it like that. You know, a little odd and maintenance stuff. Little things here and there. But that's all the major stuff I'm going to do to the truck. As far as the Trans Am, sorry. Blurp that out. So you can't say that on YouTube, apparently. Even though I'm a small channel still, they frown upon me saying that. That was a weird face. I'm going to the Trans Am. I ordered HP tuners. I went ahead and bit the bullet. That was a lot of money. The MPVI 2 Plus with the ProLink setup. I'll do a whole video on that when it gets here, when I get all that set up. But I fix to start doing my own tuning, because for what I'm doing to the car, you know, Clyde's always been my tuner. He's a great tuner, Clyde Carlson. He's a fantastic tuner. But he is helping me with this. He's going to help me learn what he can, but he's always so booked up. When I make changes to the car for different tracks, I have to have somebody there for what I'm fixing to do with the car. So I'm just going to start doing it myself. I feel like I can do it. I could be wrong. We could, you know, puke rods out of the block. I don't know. But we'll see how that goes. Probably here soon, hopefully, I can go over to Nick's and catch some of the work we're doing to it, because I got a lot going on with that car right now. Planning on a lot going on, but either way, that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all learned something. Something else. Oh, yeah, I did get a working computer for this thing. Thanks to my buddy Ty. The TAC works now, because it's hooked up under the dash. A lot of things on this truck work since I got a good computer in it. Don't know what happened to, I tried to rebuild the computer that was on the truck. I don't know what's wrong with it, but either way, that's fixed. I got to fix the door locks. That's another thing, because for some reason they don't work. I think it's the actuator on this door, but either way, y'all be safe, y'all have fun. Thanks for watching. Do it for Dale. See y'all next time.